Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business narrative visual using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and bring in an image that clearly supports the business message. I pause for a moment, because a strong narrative always starts with the right visual. First, I duplicate the layers so my editing stays safe and professional. Now I open Camera Raw filter and gently introduce film grain, taking it slow. I stop here and let the texture build quietly, allowing the image to breathe. I adjust the grain size carefully so it feels organic and believable. I zoom in to review important business details, making sure nothing loses clarity. I slightly lower the grain